Introducing Jadelabo J1 IDEX 3D printer with an independent print pass. In duplication mode, you can double prints without extra cost. In mirror mode, you can cut your wait time in half without sacrificing print quality. In support mode, support removal is incredibly easy and unlike anything you've experienced before. You can also save on premium materials by printing supports with a cheaper material. In multi-material mode, you can achieve multiple properties or colors in one single print. J1 supports a wide range of materials, such as PC for high stiffness, TPU for rubber-like elasticity, and many more. J1 uses a combination of direct drive and dual drive setup, offering a highly responsive extrusion system. It incorporates easy-to-replace hot ends and supports nozzles in various diameters. Print removal is easy with the PEI surface. The easy-to-use and highly accurate collaboration process for both the build plate and dual extruders uses an innovative solution of contact-based electrical conductive paths. Jadelabo J1 is intelligent. It features power loss detection and recovery, and filament runout detection and recovery. J1 can even detect a knotted filament and let you resume the print. In case of filament runout, it features a backup mode that saves you time. To avoid all or nothing, it features Avoid Losing Both mode that lets you stop the failed print but continue printing the good one. Wi-Fi print. You can conveniently print from your computer via Wi-Fi. The Jadelabo Cura is tailor-made for Jadelabo J1. It's free and open source. If you want to print with high-temperature materials, then you should choose the enclosed version. From electronics manufacturing and components mounting to testing and precision parts manufacturing, everything is driven by automated systems. All structural parts have good durability and surface quality. Multiple modes, endless possibilities. Make different. This is Jadelabo J1 IDEX 3D printer. Join us and back us on Kickstarter today.